I'm not sure, but some people have the experience. They said about 7 days.
But like 7 days, you will be alone with a cigarette.
Yes, it's okay.
You think it's okay?
Yes.
It's not boring, like 7 days alone, without friends, without.
Just keep.
Sorry, I gotta go. I will be back. 10 minutes after.
10 days. Okay, of course, I should come back to Russia for maybe for 1 month. From January 23rd till maybe February 20th.
February 22.
January 23rd, February 22nd for 1 month.
Just go home and stay there.
Just go home and just stay there, yeah. A lot of snow there, and maybe the temperature will be about minus 23 degrees. Minus.
Are you kidding me?
No. Minus 23.
Everywhere is ice.
It's
or
like the
frost.
coldest, February the coldest month.
Wow.
Yeah.
负23度那边。
So I just.
Can you describe the image there?
Describe the weather. Well, last year, like June, when I left Taiwan, there was about 23 degrees here, plus 23. When I just arrived in Russia, there was minus 23. Plus 23, minus 23. And when you go outside and just try to breathe, your nose slept like this one. Because like inside it's warm, outside it's cold, and even it's really difficult to breathe first time. And of course people just get like mouths cold like yeah. And it's better like nobody just walking in the street. Everybody's like kind of running.
Running.
Yeah, because it's cold. You have like from your house like down in the console till your company, or just come back to the MRT, to bus. And bus, just imagine you took a bus, just come to the bus, and the temperature the same, minus 23. You even couldn't sit on the chair.
What?
But it's very cold. Just imagine, you just sit, it's very cold, and you will give all your heat, all your warmth to this chair. Yeah. So. And the MRT is cold, everything is cold actually. Even at home, it's kind of cold, because we have like central heating. So we've got like special battery here with the hot water in the whole building. Each building has central heating. Yeah, so that's why we've got like temperature maybe 18 and 20 degrees. At home.
The battery is for the warm
to
make the building
to make the building warm, yeah. It's a hot water. So it should be like 20 degrees inside. So it's okay for liquid. Outside it's minus.
The environment is cold.
Yeah.
How about people? It's cold too?
Actually, I just remember when I was like student in high school, there was like super temperature, like minus 33. Yeah, and like everyone stayed at home like for 5 days, and everyone waiting for that when temperature
the snow pass.
Yeah, because that was very cold. Even at school, the central heating was not enough to be warm, and if you sit at the classroom, you feel cold. Even when you're writing and you get a pen in your hand, you couldn't write because you don't feel it. Yeah, that's
wow,
very cold. But of course, in new building, there is very good central heating, so it's very warm inside. In the old one, the heating is not so good. But I just miss my grandparents, and like I will eat like 3 times a day because my grandmother cooked very well.
Wow.
Yeah, so maybe I just.
You just take a
Because
vacation.
here in Taiwan, I'm just losing my weight. I'm just losing my weight. In Russia, like for last year in February, for 1 month, I got like 6 kilogram up. 6 kilogram. So I'm just waiting to get some.
But
weight.
in Russia, you do exercise?
Actually, yeah. If you go to gym.
Mm.
But just imagine, like, it's very difficult to stand up, to wake up in the morning, because it's cold. You just want to stay under cover and sleep because it's warm. You have to stand up, just open the cover, stand up, go to the bathroom, and what is cold, everything is cold actually at home. Yeah, to have a breakfast like this one, to dress, how's everything? Go outside and just stand at the station, like bus station, waiting for the bus. Then you go to the bus and it's cold there too. Yeah, so and everybody's face is very red. It's, because very cold. Then
But you expected to go home, right?
yeah, of course, change. First, I just want to change.
About that time, Taiwan should be kind of warmer at that time. Because spring coming.
Right now,
No, maybe next month or February start.
February maybe. I hope. Okay. Because I remember last year in January, I remember the temperature was about 8 degrees.
8.
8. Batu. So it's very cold. Like right now it's Shipa. 18. It was 8. I remember that was very cold because in Taika dormitory, Susha, there is no central heating, yeah?
Yes.
And we are prohibited. We are not allowed to use heater.
Electronic.
Yeah, we were not either. So it's cold and you couldn't do anything actually. Outside it's 10 degrees. Inside it's 10 degrees. Some fun. But of course, some people like Vietnamese students, just Taiwanese students, Indonesian students, they just use heaters
Why?
to make the room warm.
They use it.
Use it, yeah. It's prohibited, but they just use it because it's impossible to do.
You should use it.
Yeah, I think I should use it because actually, this is not fair. Like in Russia, there is like special building code, and it's written there that temperature in the room should be about living room about 18 degrees.
18 degrees.
Always 18 degrees or 20, 18 or 20. Yeah, so it's not 10 degrees because it's not convenient for living. It's cold. Yeah. And why 18? Because like there was like some experiments that almost naked person should stand in the center, in the middle of the room, almost naked, and feel comfortable. So the temperature is about 20 degrees. It should be in the room that you're naked, you feel comfortable. Yeah, you can go naked in the dormitory. So, but you're going to see, firework.
Oh yeah, 101.
Last time I remember there was like.
Have you seen it
also,
yet?
yeah, 2 times. 2 times, but the last one I don't like it.
Why?
And that it was very fast and not good looking.
Not good looking.
As the previous one. The previous one, like 1 year ago, that was better, much better.
Oh, I remember. Last year it's not good. It feels the original shape should be like a dragon, but a lot of people say that it's like insect.
Insect, yeah.
Yeah, like worm.
And people I think were disappointed. Like so, ooh.
Oh.
That's only 1 minute. 1 minute, 1.5. And that's why it was very cold. I remember.
100 seconds. 100 seconds.
It was very cold, and then everybody was going to come back to home or some like to nightclubs or somewhere, and there were no taxi because a lot of people. 101, and I just remember we're about 2 hours just to walking. 2 hours. It was very cold. We were just walking to find some taxis. It was very difficult. Yeah, that's why I don't like it. I think the same situation will be this year in December, because all Taiwan just came to the 101 to see this firework and then just spread out.
What about this year?
I think the same. The same. Nothing special.
And you? Because they can.
Just watch, because my friend invited me to their place, like in Dalo, in the high-rise building, and there is a good view from this building to 101. So maybe go there. Not sure actually. So what's your plan for the new year?
You 头发.
Miss nothing actually, maybe. Yeah. And like for Chinese New Year, there's somebody told me that's very boring here. Chinese New Year. Maybe the first day and then like people don't want to do anything.
Yes, just
Yeah.
second rest.
Like the rest. So actually the same here in Russia. We like after 1 year, 31st of December, we got 10 days of vacation. 10 days.
10 days.
Yeah, okay, 2-3 days, it's okay. You can sit at home and just get like very holiday mood and everything is okay. But then just 1 week, you feel so boring.
What?
First, like 3 days of vacation, I think it's enough. If you ate a lot of food, you watch TV, you talk to your friends, 3 days, enough. And then 1 more week, enough.
Obviously, news 10 days is too long. But what about us? over amount.
Yeah, but it depends on how you're gonna spend this vacation.
Yes.
Yeah, some people maybe just for 1 month, 1.5 months can travel to or
Lots.
do a lot of interesting things.
Yes.
If sit at home 1 month, 1.5 months, of course it's not boring. It's like killing. It's getting crazy. I think like 1 month.
Yeah.
Sit at home. Just maybe write some timetable, schedule that. Like the first day I want to do this one, the second day I will do this one, the third day. Visit your parents, grandparents, friends, go to the mountain, like travel a bit, do something like this.
How you say? I remember news today.